हेलो एवरीवन। आज शायद जिम जाने का 17th डे है। जिम जाने का नहीं, जिम ज्वाइन करने का 17th डे है। और आज आपको बॉडी करनी है। उधर से भर रहे हो? उधर से कैसे भर रहे हो? अनफिल्टर्ड आएगा वो तो। यस।
This was shown by owner. Actually,
Okay.
यहाँ का जो पानी है that comes from here. If it is not working, then it will also not work.
पर वो तो अनफिल्टर्ड है।
Filtered.
कहाँ से फिल्टर्ड होगा जब वो उसमें जा ही नहीं रहा ब्लू स्टार में।
Connection है वहाँ से. I was also not aware that day.
ऐसे लोग हैं जिम के। छाता में जाती जिम। छुई मुई है, छुई मुई। छाता।
मैं तो चद्दर बोलती हूँ.
चद्दर है। अम्ब्रेला बोलो ना। हम लोग भी छाता नहीं बोलते, मतलब बोलते हैं बट अम्ब्रेला आ गई है इंग्लिश हर एक सेंटेंस में। क्या कर सकते हैं। सेंटेंस देखा, सेंटेंस भी इज इंग्लिश। हर एक वाक्य में अंग्रेजी आ गई। थोड़ा ऊपर से पता नहीं क्या मंदिर की पूजा हो रही है। अच्छा, इसको लेके जा रहे थे।
Show off is also a girl, and for the reason for depression is also a girl.
Here I am holding what looks like a medieval weapon, but no, this is the Desi Muktal, also known as the Indian Club. Now, before you think it's just another gym prop, wait. This thing right here is a mobility ninja in disguise. This Muktal isn't just old school, it's an ancient tool, and it's very cool. Used by Indian wrestlers for centuries, it is designed to unlock your shoulders, improve joint rotation, and strengthen the muscle around your scapula, all without making you feel like a robot doing physio. And guess what? It's not boring at all. Unlike staring at a mirror while doing 3 sets of sad internal rotation with a resistant band, go with a Mukdal. You feel like you are using a weapon from some Bahubali or some महाभारत काइंड ऑफ एरा। और इसकी खास बात यह है कि अगर तुम्हें वर्कआउट के दौरान कोई परेशान कर रहा है, यू कैन यूज इट ऑन देम एज वेल। सो या, द देसी मुक्तल, ancient, awesome, and absolutely not boring. Your shoulders will thank you, your ancestors will be proud of you, and your mirror selfies will look way more heroic. Here's the truth. Every single time you show up, you are learning something. Some days your form might not be correct. You might struggle with new movement or get frustrated when your body is not doing what you want it to, and that's normal. Some days the workout will feel boring, some days you will feel like skipping it altogether, and you might, because I have skipped, and I don't know in future how many more I'm gonna skip, but that's okay. That is part of life. We are humans. But even if you do just one set or just hang from a bar for 20 seconds, that's still better than doing nothing. We often think that motivation comes first, but honestly, action creates motivation, not the other way around. The days you feel most sad, bad, those are the days where just moving a little can completely shift your energy. Trust me, I have had days where I planned a full 1 hour beast mode workout but ended up doing just 50% of it. Some days you are just looking at people's face, you have no clue, everyone is doing so great, everyone is just looking like Hulk, and you have no clue what you are doing. That's part of workout, that's part of showing up in the gym. You won't be 100% sure about anything. Fitness isn't about perfection, it's not about doing everything right every single day. It's about showing up, messing up, learning, adjusting, and growing. Alright, I'm working on my dead hangs, trying to reach that 1 minute mark. Right now I'm somewhere in that कंधे में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है वाली stage. Dead hangs are actually very simple but crazy effective. They improve our grip strength, decompress our spine and open up those tight shoulders. Basically a free chiropractor session. If you are a beginner, 10 to 20 seconds is a great start. Anything over 45 seconds, that's solid. A full 1 minute or more, you are in a beast mode. Wish me luck, and I hope I reach that 1 minute mark soon. Think about this. If you do just a little bit more today than you did yesterday, you are progressing. If you are paying even 1% more attention to your form than last week, you are learning. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need any fancy equipment, you just need that little bit of intent to move, to try, to keep showing up. और जैसे कि मैंने एक कोट पढ़ा है यहाँ पर ही, that the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. तो फॉर्म अगर ख़राब है, it's okay. Your bad form is also laying the brick of your future strength. Every rep, every drop of sweat, every day, you simply choose to show up. It counts. So if today you are feeling lazy, tired or clueless, just move. Even for 5 minutes. You're not failing, you are building something. Slowly, imperfectly, but surely. Show up for yourself, you are worth the effort. So do that pec fly even if your arm feels like noodles today. Do those dead hangs even if your grip is slipping just after 15 seconds. Just keep trying. Keep showing up with your tired bones and heavy thoughts. Because one day, without warning, your body will surprise you. The stretch will feel easier, the rep will feel stronger, the breath will feel lighter. And that one moment, it will remind you why you never gave up. It's not about perfect form, it's not about Instagram-worthy PRs. It's about you, choosing to care for your body when it's easier to stay still. Choosing to fight for your energy when everything in you wants to shut down. Your body remembers every effort, every small shaky rep, and slowly, quietly it adapts, it heals, it grows. So let the shoulders burn a little today, let the muscles tremble, let the doubts be there, but don't let them decide who you are. Because the magic isn't in the mirror, it's in the showing up, it's in the doing, and one day, not far from now, you will look back and whisper, wow, I did that.
तो आई थिंक 70th डे था आज हमारा या फिर 18th था, मुझे चेक करना पड़ेगा. तो वो हो चुका है, मार्च के हैं और इट वाज गुड. मोटिवेशन वापस आ चुकी है बेसिकली. और या दैट्स इट. लोगों के अंदर सिविक सेंस नहीं है. यहाँ पर टिश्यू पेपर देखिए यूज़ किया है और बिल्कुल इधर ही ये डस्टबिन है, इधर डाल सकते थे यूज़ करने के बाद, पर नहीं. सिविक सेंस गाइस, सिविक सेंस.